Right, next question should be also quite simple. As you can see over here, there's butter. There's also corn oil. One is cow, macam a bit, not so healthy. One is corn oil, very healthy. So this is, what is the type of fatty acid? This is not healthy one is called saturated. Unhealthy one is called saturated. Healthy one is called unsaturated. So this is the fatty acid. Okay. Next one. This is a what equation? Triglyceride break down become this. So what is process M? Very simple lah, hydrolysis. Literally hydrolysis. And what happened here? Basically, again, you can go through the whole process. One molecule of triglyceride is broken down. And I literally just copy that. Just copy. This is such a simple chapter, right? Just copy only. A molecule of glycerol and 3 molecules of fatty acid. Okay. Most importantly, always remember to talk about water. In this case, what happened to the water? Yes, you should have 3 molecules of water is added. 3 molecules of water is added. In fact, you can also talk about the bond if you think macam a bit too less smart, right? Because this one is already so clear. I don't think they will give too much. You should feel a bit sus because this one is so clear written. So you might want to just give a bit more points. So you can also say as the bond is broken. As the bond is broken. Okay, this will be a lot clearer. Okay, cool. Okay, and the last one I think don't need to explain this one we also just done it in question 1 or 2. Question 1 I think. Okay, it's a very simple question. Just talk about saturated, unsaturated. So yes, P. Okay, first of all compare Just go for a quick one. P contain yes as simple as glycerol and fatty acid. Yeah, that works because indeed both of them are lipid. Of course, you contain glycerol and fatty acid. Now, for the differences, again, I'm just going to do it very quickly so we can save a bit of time. So I'm going to do a table. Let's not. Let's do it properly. So what is the differences? Again, you know the answer Please, you have such a big table for this part. I'm just going to quickly go to some of them. For example, the fatty acid of P has only single bond. Remember, fatty acid of P has only single bond between carbon atom. Meanwhile, fatty acid of Q, because it is unsaturated, you still have space. That means you have double bond. You will have double bond between carbon. Okay, you will have double bond between carbon. This one example. Okay, again, I'm not gonna go through all because this is really so simple. You should have it in your notes as well. So I'm not gonna go through every question. You can just refer to your notes if you want to. But yeah, I'm not gonna go through other choices. Okay, but yeah, this is so simple. Just talk about saturated, unsaturated. Okay, thank you very much.